Good morning, team. I'm out here at Cowabunga Bay out in Vegas. We're in Henderson, Vegas, Nevada. Look at that view. Beautiful view. Look at the mountains over there. Fantastic. Alright, so check this out. We are currently on Beach Blanket Bonzai. This is a Poling slide. You can see right there it says Poling. I want to try and walk this. I was looking at it, man, the shoulders look really low on this. Very low. This is a start tub launch. Put the raft there, riders get in, and then they launch it. This is by Vanstone as well. I'm walking through here, I was telling my boss, like, man, these shoulders look so low compared to what I'm used to with the whitewater stuff and the pro slide stuff. I ain't got to walk this attraction yet, so let's take a walk. This is a really long attraction. Check out all the still in this one. Jeez and rice. That thing is massive. Massive. Hopefully I don't get flushed. You know, right now the sun is just beating down on this glass, and to be honest with you, the glass looks pretty good. Very good shape. Yeah, we got chips and stuff here and there, but honestly, the slide looks to be very healthy. What's nice about these kind of slides, as long as, you know, just get water at the top, they're gonna ride. Shouldn't have too many problems with it. Got a little burr there, not too bad though. Seems to be where they've been taking care of it, which is great. Let's see what this is. Okay, we had just a rough spot. So what they did is they came back and sanded it out so it's not sharp or anything. It's not bad looking. Not bad. Let's look at the underside of this bad boy. Looks good. Look at the cross member. So the way whitewater does it's real fixed still both sides, and it's square tubing versus round. We might have some round now thinking about it. I think it's all square. There's a yoke. Wow, okay. So this yellow spot's had some issues before. Sounds good though. Doesn't sound bad at all. Now we've gone quite a bit of ways already, and we're still in the middle of the dang slide, dude. My goodness. Got some burrs there. Look how much farther we still gotta go. Man. That drop's intense. Look at that. Wow. Okay, getting a good look at the still under here. Still looks really good. Ooh, hear that, boys? Oh, I stretched it a little bit while I was walking. Okay. It's interesting. This looks like it's been polished, but the polish wasn't taken off. Very weird looking. Huh. Well, tell you what, Gene, the glass does look to be in great shape here. Can't complain. Yep. See, the shoulders here are much higher than they were at the start tub. It's very interesting. Very interesting. This shoulder's a little too low to me. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, we're inside the steel structure. I didn't realize it did that. Huh. I kind of like this. Let's turn back around. Because we do a lot of night stuff at this facility. Wouldn't it be cool if we had something here? Lights, music, something? That would actually be kind of interesting. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a picture. If I can find my photos. I really like that. I think it'd be a cool idea. We got plenty of steel structure to hang stuff off of. There's the red light, green light. Yeah, buddy. Looking real good. All right, let's go to the next one.